Kimberly. Sino na ba dito? Ano naman? Kalong ko diya. Pisa ko ba? I love you so much na. I love you so much na. Matik na rin ang birthday yan. Cake lang akong pala. Ano naman yun? Ha? Hoy! Sige. Sige ngon, my baby. Hello, Reka. Hi, squeeze the fellow in your lip. Squish. Okay. Likes. Good evening. Good evening, Reka, my father. Bunch of verbs in the chat. Verbs. Ha? Ano? Ano lagi? Diri kay layo kay ka. Diri ka ba ariyo? Ali. Ay, ugma na. Dili lagi pwede. Sige. Oh, sige. Tagkaon. We're speaking English. Yeah. Hello, Raika McFadden. Watching from Raika. Hello to Chicken Soup Bruce. Chowty obese. Kaya obese. Obese ba? Hindi na ako obese. Uy. Hindi pala ako obese. Talaga yung mga chubby. Kaya okay lang yun. Show me your foot. Polish. Yeah. Ha? Ha? Ugma na. Lagi mo sugod sa ati ang may sige pa sa karton. May madaw tong tani. Kailangan pa nagsara. May you are tired. Hello, girls debut. Hello. Oh no, my son. I let my son sleep. There. There you go. Sige na. Hmm? How are you friends join you? Himalayan Trails, how are you new friends? Hi, thank you Himalaya. Did you join my channel? Thank you. Give me a little place. Hello, hi Himalayan Trails watching from. Hello Agus Iwoks. Hello Geles David. I invite you to join. Please join my membership. It's really important to me, guys. And also like, share my live so I get more views. Because sa bad comment, I will hide you in my Hi! Hello, Becky. Hi. Tulog naman. Kung kalutan ko, hindi ko matulog. Sige, kapila na ka ni kaupasit kanton. Yeah, because my son, I have my son too. I'm not busy as What show? Hi, Ricardo Reyes. Hello.